This is grade 4, Module 1, Lesson 13. And the objective in this lesson is to use place value understanding to decompose to smaller units once using the standard subtraction algorithm, and apply the algorithm to solve word problems using tape diagrams. So we're going to look at question number 2 here. And question number 2 says, what number must be added to 14,056 to result in a sum of 38,733? So I'm going to do a tape diagram. And I know that this whole tape is 38,773. And I do know that a portion of this is 14,056. So this is the part that we don't know. This is an unknown. The standard subtraction algorithm is 38,773 minus 14,056. Okay, and we can do that. And we have a difference of 24,717. I just wanted to show one strategy that a student showed me, what they're doing to find this problem. So I'm going to go ahead. The standard subtraction algorithm is wonderful, but this was one of the students showed me how they did that because they were struggling with the subtraction. So they took 14,056. They added a number that they didn't know, but they knew that the result was going to be 38,773. So if I'm starting over here with 6, and I know I'm adding, the only way I can get a number with a 3 in the ones place is to have 6, and they're counting up to 13. So 6, counting up to 13 is, I need to add 7, okay? And that means that I had to regroup a 10 over here. And then I look in my tens place, and I know that I end up with 7 tens. So I have 5, 6, and I need one more to make my 7 tens. Okay, so if I'm looking at my hundreds place, my sum or my answer has 7 in the hundreds place. Right now I have nothing, so I need to put a 7 here. If I'm looking at my thousands place, I need to end up with 8 thousands. Right now I have 4, so I'm going to put 4. And then I'm looking at my 10,000s. I need 3. I have 1, so I need 2 more. And that gave the answer of 24,717, which is the same answer we got when we did the subtraction algorithm. So I thought it was interesting, so I just wanted to show that, and that would be correct as well. Okay, so let's look at question number 3. Number 3 says, an elementary school collected 1,705 bottles for recycling program. A high school also collected some bottles. Both schools collected 3,627 bottles combined. How many bottles did the high school collect? So let's write our target sentence. And that reads, the high school collected blank bottles. Okay, so the tape diagram for this is, this represents the number of bottles that both schools collected, and I know that information is right here, so it's 3,000, oops, let's change back the color, 3,627. So the elementary school collected this piece right here, which was 1,705. And the high school is the unknown, the high school amount, so that's what we're trying to find. So we can do 3,627 subtract 1,705. To have a difference of 1,922. So the high school collected 1,922 bottles.